Welcome to the Tetrion Smart Filler how-to video, where we'll show you how it can be used for all of your quick fix filling needs around the home. Tetrion Smart Filler has a super lightweight formula, making it the ideal choice for filling large holes or hairline cracks with just one easy application. You can nail, screw or drill right into the filler without using wall plugs. You'll need to begin by preparing the area by spraying primer bonder on the surface to help stabilize it for a better grip when using the filler. Once the primer bonder has dried, you can then apply the smart filler into the hole. We recommend building a raised area when filling, which can then be sanded down to your desired level. After allowing 15 minutes for the filler to dry, it can then be sanded down and painted. When sanding above yourself, ensure to protect your eyes and mouth. Bear in mind that deeper fills may require a longer drying time. Now we'll show you how to use Smart Filler for a coving repair, where you'll see how it can be shaped to follow the contours of a curved surface. Apply the filler to the problem area as shown, leaving a raised area that can be sanded down once the filler has dried. But do remember to take extra care when sanding the filler level, as you don't want to scar the coving. Once sanded, the fill can then be easily painted over. In this example, the hole has gone right through the plasterboard. We will demonstrate the strength and versatility of Smart Filler. First, primer bonder is applied to stabilize the surface. Next, the filler is applied and left to dry. Clean any tools off after application. For a deep fill like this, leave the filler to fully cure overnight before sanding. The filler can be drilled and accept screws without the need for wall plugs. Shelf brackets can be screwed directly in the filler and a shelf placed on top. At this point, the filler is left unpainted to highlight and prove the same repair can also hold weight. Smart Filler is also great for filling in any hairline cracks. The lightweight formula allows the fill to be successful in one application. It will not crack or shrink, giving you a smooth finish. Simply apply the filler using your spreader. Sand and paint after 15 minutes. Here in the laboratory, we will demonstrate the weight of a conventional filler against the Microlite Technology of the Smart Filler. As shown, a 1 litre bag of conventional filler weighs 1.5 kilos, whereas a 1 litre bag of Smart Filler weighs only 369 grams. That's over 4 times lighter than the conventional filler. Microlite glass bubbles present in the Smart Filler help to keep the filler weight at an absolute minimum. The high-strength nature and various sizes of these glass bubbles means that Smart Filler outperforms traditional filler when it comes to drilling, screwing and tapping. Here we demonstrate the high-strength nature once the filler has fully set, alongside its lightweight properties. Smart Filler can also be used on a variety of other DIY projects, such as settlement cracks, ceiling repairs around lighting, door frames and damaged render.
Tetrion. Fill, stick, bond.